Dear Norway, today we are standing here to seek help from you. Since the end of July, China has launched a so-called zero infection strategy to stop the spread of COVID in my lovely homeland, East Turkestan. But in fact, it is not zero infection strategy, but it's zero Uyghur strategy. China detained Uyghurs in their own apartments without food and medical supply that lead to many Uyghurs, including small children and pregnant women, died in their own places because of hunger and suffer. Dear Norway, please wake up. Don't forget that you are the country that issued Nobel Peace Prize. Don't forget, lives of human beings are much more expensive than fish. I'm sure that you know what is happening right now in East Turkestan. Maybe you know better than us. We are calling you to stand up with justice. Recognize the ongoing genocide in East Turkestan and recognize the occupation of East Turkestan. At the same time, I want to say something to the fascist China. China, do you think that you are strong? That you can take advantage of your so-called power to do whatever you want? That you can murder all Uyghurs? No, you are wrong. Do you see these warriors who are standing here today? You can kill our body with your shameless ways, but you can never kill our spirit and our soul. I call you to remember these eyes with anger. We are the new generation of those who locked you in your Great Wall. We are the new generation of those who built the East Turkestan Republic in 1933 and 1944. I believe one day we will let you regret what you have done. I believe one day we will let you begging us to seek for forgiveness. Because we are from East Turkestan, the land which you cannot able to handle in past 70 years. Remember, China, we are Uyghurs, your nightmare. China, you are in danger.